Hi, it's Larry the Llama here. How you doing? My friend Kareem the Camel had to go into hospital the other week. He had a touch of echinococosis, he tells me. No, me neither. But it's very common amongst camels, right? But you know what happened? His insurance people tell him he ain't covered because he hadn't told them he had this thing as a precondition. You know what I mean? But Kareem tells them nearly all camels get this thing, but they wouldn't listen. So he had to pay up himself. We have this crazy health system in the United States, the most expensive in the world, and we're way behind every other advanced country. Even Switzerland, it's embarrassing. But now we got Obamacare. Will it make a big difference? I doubt it. By law, we all now gotta have private health insurance to get medical treatment, so who are the winners here? I'm no expert, but ain't it just more money for the private health insurance industry? In cahoots with the big pharmaceutical companies? And the medical profession to some degree. They've all got their snouts in the trough. And don't ask me why the Republicans are so upset about Obamacare when it's all their rich pals who are going to benefit. Obamacare, you know, was actually invented by Mitt Romney when he was governor of Massachusetts, and he's a Republican. But the conservatives complain Obamacare is too much like socialism. That's a laugh. I just say to people, why can't we have a health system which is free? You call a cop or a firefighter to your house, you don't give them cash when they finish, do you? My friend Oscar the ostrich, he's very conservative. Well, they are. He says to me, Larry, you're talking about the system they have in Great Britain, right? Their National Health Service. I say, well, no, Oscar. Even in Britain, they're selling off bits of their public health to private companies. I think they're crazy. I'm talking about what they have in Cuba, or even in Venezuela to some degree. Well, you can imagine. He went purple in the face. Cuba? You want a communist health system? Well, I ain't interested in labels, I told him. All I know is in Cuba, they got an infant mortality rate lower than ours. That shut him up, I can tell you. By the way, Kareem's better, you'll be pleased to know. And no thanks to Obamacare, by the way. His insurance company still don't accept camel diseases, and that just ain't American.